Hello everyone. If you are still using old and outdated blackboards in your classroom, then it's time to upgrade with the latest technology. Switch from your normal boards to MUX education panels, and these panels have 4K resolution with 178-degree viewing angle for clear visibility from every corner of the classroom. It supports connectivity with various devices via ports like Type-C ports, HDMI ports, touch ports and USB ports. It also supports wireless connectivity, hence teacher can create their any material on any devices like laptop, mobile and tablet, and they can share their content on the panel wirelessly. The MUX education panels comes in various sizes like 65 inch, 75 inch, 86 inch and 98 inch. So you can choose the right fit as per the size of the learning corner and the classroom. It also comes in two operating systems, Android and Windows. Android has 4GB RAM and 32GB ROM, and Windows has 8GB RAM and 256GB SSD. It can be customized as per the requirement of the customers in Windows. Inbuilt note software acts as the technologically advanced replacement of Blackboard in a classroom. Concept can be easily explained in the note software. Let's see a few examples. You can choose the color as per your choice, and to convert the word into smart writing, you have to write a word and then you have to go to the selection part and select the complete word and to convert into smart writing. As you can see, this word is also converted into smart writing. Also, you can browsing this word into browser like this. Here you can see there are so many images comes on the panel. You can also import this image into the note. You have to select any image and just drag the same onto the panel. After this, you can adjust the size accordingly and can easily explain on the panel. So now let's move to the Windows part. In this writing software, there are so many features to explain. Like we will start with the geometry shapes. Here is the shape where you can select any shapes accordingly and you can draw the shape like this. In this shape, you can fill the color as per your choice. And you can expand the shape in different formats, where you can collapse the shape and you can make the clone of it. So now next move into the chemistry equations. In this chemistry equation, you have to select this, where you can see there are so many formulas here. In these formulas, you can select anyone and can add it accordingly, and you can insert the same onto the writing software like this. So next, move into the planet. In this planet, there are so many features where you can select any planet accordingly, and you can convert the same in 2D shape and 3D shape as per your choice. In this planet, you can explain easily with selecting the pen and their color. So generally teacher writes and draws on the board and the student copy the same content in their notebook, and it wastes a lots of precious time. So this can be avoided by sharing the content wirelessly to all the students. So now let's move to the next feature. Engaging videos can be run on the panel directly from YouTube. This can be done for easy explanation for concept and fun activities. MOOCs display act as an all-in-one solution for teaching and interacting with the students in a classroom to make learning fun. This helps reducing the paperwork and saving the time while enhancing the learning experience. So upgrade your classroom with MOOCs Education Panel. Thank you.